Hi everyone, it's your girl Tina Olisa. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I am going to be reviewing the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner, and this is me doing my pre-poo. After my pre-poo, actually, then I'm going to be washing my hair. These are prior steps I literally do take on my wash day before I do my deep conditioning. So make sure to click on that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so guys, I am going to be using the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. Okay, first thing is first. When you look at this Mega Growth, when you look at this deep conditioner, you see Mega Growth Deep Conditioner Anti-Breakage, Strengthen, Restore, Repair. First of all, I've had a video about deep conditioners, protein, how to differentiate between a moisturizing deep conditioner and a protein deep conditioner. I've also had a video before where I used half part olive hair mayonnaise and half part DIY protein, and that product, that olive hair mayonnaise that I used for that video, went up straight to write hair mayonnaise. And once you look at it, you already know that, oh, this is a protein treatment, because most hair mayonnaise are protein. So you just see hair mayonnaise and you know it's protein. But now this Mega Growth is just deep conditioner written there. If you've been following my videos, you'd know that I've made mention of how to know deep conditioners that contain protein. You'd see things like strengthening, restoring, repairing. That is how to know deep conditioners that would have protein in them. But the main thing is that you should know, if you don't need protein often, if your hair doesn't regularly need protein, you shouldn't be using this. You shouldn't, because when you go through the ingredients, the first ingredient there is aqua, then paraffin liquidum, which is mineral oil, petrolatum, which is petroleum jelly, and then propyl glycol. The 10th ingredient is hydrolyzed wheat protein. So this alone should tell you that this is literally containing protein. And it doesn't just contain one type of protein, it contains hydrolyzed wheat protein, it contains hydrolyzed soy protein, hydrolyzed oat protein. This is definitely a protein deep conditioner. It's protein based mostly, and it's for repair, strengthening, and all that. So you can use this deep conditioner as your protein treatment. It's not written protein treatment there, so now you know what is inside this Mega Growth, because I've had some people say they've used this and it made their hair feel hard. Using this every week is a no-no. You would have protein overload. Make sure you read your labels, read ingredients, and make sure you know what you are using. So I'm going to open it to see what it looks like inside. Very, very, very nice. It smells very nice. I want to see if this deep conditioner would actually pass for slip, for bounce back, curls, and shine, and everything it's going to do to my hair. So come along with me and let's apply this to my hair and let's see how it goes. My hair has been in like some kind of style, so it's not really tangled, as you can see. So I'll just start by applying this bit by bit. It's nice. I literally washed my hair, then wrapped it a little. I didn't use towel to dry it, I just waited a little for it to drip, and then I'm applying this. And this is nice, but it doesn't have that much slip like I would like. Can you see this space? It did not touch it. So that's why you have to open it up and make sure it gets to each and every angle of your hair. And some people actually make this mistake too while moisturizing their hair. They don't moisturize their hair properly. And then what about the inside? What about the inside? Can you see that? See, it's everywhere now. It's now everywhere I want it to be in. So I am done with applying this to my hair. So now I'm going to wait in for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. You can actually wait for an hour if you have that patience. I still have much remaining, as you can see. So yes, for quantity, it's a check for me. Okay, so I washed this out. It feels so soft and bouncy, and it really did its job, but it didn't really bring out that much definition. And also, you should know something, that the way this is on my hair won't totally be the way it would be on your hair, because you know we have different hair. Our hair is different and would react differently to different products. So if you use this product and it is not what you see it do on my hair, and it does something better or maybe not as much as it did to my hair, either ways, just know that's your hair. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video and every of my other video. I still remain your girl Tina, always say number one natural educator. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and click on that like button. Y'all, I need to sleep. This is literally 9 p.m. and I am here making videos for you. So please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.